Today I need to go to the bank. I need to open a current account and deposit some cash. Let's go inside and I'll show you exactly what to say.
Good morning. Welcome to Greenfield Bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a current account, please.
Of course. Do you have any ID and proof of address with you?
Yes. Here's my passport and a utility bill. Proof of address means a document that shows where you live. A utility bill, a bank statement, or an official letter.
Perfect. Everything looks good, Mr. Carter. I'll take you through to one of our advisors now. Please follow me.
Good morning, Mr. Carter. I'm James. Please take a seat.
Good morning, James. Thank you.
So, you'd like to open a current account today?
Yes, that's right.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, I work full-time as a teacher.
And are you a UK resident?
Yes, I've been living here for 3 months.
Would you like a contactless debit card with your account?
Yes, please.
Your card will arrive within 5 to 7 working days. Could you sign here, please?
Of course.
And here is your account number and sort code.
Sort code is a 6-digit number. Every British bank account has one. And account number is an 8-digit number.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Could I also make a cash deposit, please?
Of course. Lisa at the counter will help you with that.
Good morning. How can I help?
Good morning. I'd like to deposit some cash, please.
Of course. How much would you like to deposit?
£500, please.
£500. Deposited successfully.
Thank you. Could you also check my balance, please? Balance means how much money you have in your account right now.
Of course. Your current balance is £523.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, I'd like to make a bank transfer, please.
Could I have the sort code and account number, please?
Here you go.
And how much would you like to transfer?
£200, please.
Transfer complete. Is there anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you very much, Lisa.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day.
So today at the bank, I opened a current account, deposited cash, and made a bank transfer. Here are the most important expressions you need at a British bank. I'd like to open a current account, please. Could you check my balance, please? I'd like to make a bank transfer, please. I'd like to deposit some cash, please. Now repeat after me. I'd like to open a current account, please. Could you check my balance, please? I'd like to make a bank transfer, please. Say these expressions out loud. Practice makes perfect. If this helped you today, please subscribe to Fluent English UK. New episodes every week. See you next time. Bye for now.